Hi. Could you tell me how was your first contact with VCW and how you connected with the surf?
Yes, of course. So first of all, regarding the surf, since my father is a surfer, I surfed since I was small. So every summer we went to Capoton in France. So every summer I got to surf because I'm originally from Germany and we don't surf there, as you can imagine, only in the north. And that's why I surf since I'm small, and this is how I build up my passion for surf. Regarding the VCW, so that's very interesting because I did my Bachelor of Science in International Business in Maastricht, and then I came here to Nova for my Erasmus. And during my Erasmus, I took one course which is called Innovation Management with Professor Luis Lages, and that was the first contact I had with the global vision, which is the underlying the VCW. And then I finished my Erasmus, I started my master at Nova, and then I became a teaching assistant there. So basically I'm the teaching assistant of the professor, and that's how I know all about the VCW since 5 years already.
For you, what is the big advantage of this methodology?
The big advantage of this methodology, if you compare it to, for example, design thinking, is the separation of the solutions and the filters. Because you are doing basically two different brainstorms. You're doing one brainstorm for solutions to come up with all the different solutions, including all the different opinions of different stakeholders. And then you do another one for the filters. So I think that's the big advantage, because then in the end you are broadening up. Basically it's this. You are involving key decision makers, which is also very important, because the most important question basically is who cares. So you need to know who cares. So involving the key decision makers is another great strength of the methodology. But then in the end, you funnel down again and have the value creation funnel, and you combine the both solution and the filters. I think that's the big advantage.
And for you, do you think that it could apply to all aspects of our lives?
To all the experts, yes, I strongly believe so. Except, for example, easy things, like easy problems, like what am I going? I mean, you could do it. What am I going to eat tonight, for example? You could use the VCW to come up with a solution. Of course, you can apply it to all the different sectors and areas. But I think if you would like to have like a very, very quick solution, you should do it like intuitionally. I wouldn't say that I got more organized, because I'm German, I'm organized by nature. But indeed, I would say my thinking process improved a lot, because now I'm thinking more in terms of first getting background knowledge. Of course, you cannot define a problem without background knowledge and to know the whole context. So whenever I'm faced with a challenge, I go through the background, I analyze everything in the background, the context and so on, and then I continue only to derive a solution in the end. I'm not using all of the steps all the time for all my problems that I have, but I think that helped me a lot to be even more structured than I am.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.